Marketing audit presented by Akshata MCom previous MPM first grade college Karkala. Marketing audit. Before we have to know the meaning of marketing audit, we have to know the meaning of audit. Audit is an official inspection of an organization's accounts, typically by an independent body. Audit can't be expected to detect every fraud in the business activity. Next, marketing audit introduction. On account of the rapid changes in the marketing environment, each company tries to assess from time to time its marketing effectiveness through a control technique called the marketing audit. If company have to know about its time to time activities and marketing effectiveness, it can use a control technique called marketing audit. Next definition. Kotler defines marketing audit as follows. A marketing audit is a comprehensive, systematic, independent, and periodic examination of a company's marketing environment, objectives, strategies, and activities. Marketing audit it will help to examine the marketing environment, objectives, strategies, and its activities with a view to determining problem areas and opportunities and recommending a plan of action to improve company's marketing performance. Marketing audit it will help to determine what are the problems in the business activity and also find solution for that problem and to achieve marketing effectiveness. Characteristics of marketing audit. The audit should be comprehensive. It means it should be comprehensive and broad in focus, covering the entire marketing environment of the company. The audit should be systematic. It means it should be a systematic and orderly sequence of diagnostic steps as compared to an constructed and random investigation. The audit should be independent. The audit should be independent. It means it is done by the independent body of the organization. The audit should be periodic. It should be carried out periodically. The marketing audit should be undertaken on a regular basis and not only when major problem arises. Next, components of marketing audit. Under that, first one, macro environment audit, task environment audit, marketing strategy audit, marketing organization audit, marketing system audit, marketing productivity audit, marketing function audit. First one, macro environment audit, includes all the factors outside the firm that influences the marketing performance. These factors are demographic, economic, environmental, political, and cultural. Macro environment audit means factors it will influence the marketing performance. So outside the organization means external factors. The factors are demographic, economic, environmental, political, and cultural. Task environment audit. The factors closely associated with the firm, such as markets, customers, competitors, distributors, and retailers, facilitators, marketing firms, public, etc., that affects the efficiency of the marketing programs. These are factors, internal factors of the organization. So these are factors it will affect the efficiency of the marketing programs. Marketing strategy audit, checking the feasibility of business mission, marketing objectives, goals, and marketing strategies that have a direct impact on the firm's marketing performance. Marketing strategy audit it will help to determine what are the missions, objectives, goals, and strategies are to be followed in the organization. Marketing organization audit, evaluating the performance of staff at different level of hierarchy. Different levels of hierarchy means top level, middle level, and lower level of the organization. Marketing systems audit. Maintaining and updating several marketing systems such as marketing information system, marketing planning system, marketing control system, and new product development system. Using new technologies, and it will help to better performance of the organization. Marketing productivity audit. Evaluating the performance of the marketing activities in terms of profitability and cost effectiveness. It means maximization of profit with minimization of cost. So it will help to cost benefit. Marketing function audit. Keeping a check on firm's core competencies such as product, price, distribution, marketing, communication, and sales force. It will check on the core competencies like product, price, distribution, marketing, communication, and sales force. It will influence the um, performance of the organization. Thank you.